Hey there, ever swiped your TD card and wondered, is this a debit or a credit card? It's a common question, and frankly, the lines can seem a little blurry sometimes. Today, we're diving deep into the world of TD cards to clear up that confusion once and for all. Many of us carry a TD card in our wallets, using it for daily purchases, online shopping, or ATM withdrawals. But understanding the fundamental difference between a debit and a credit card is crucial for managing your finances effectively. Knowing which type of card you're using impacts everything from your spending limits to your credit score, and even how secure your money is. Let's break it down. TD debit cards, your own money. When you use a TD debit card, you're directly accessing funds from your checking or savings account. Think of it like this: if you have $100 in your account, you can spend up to $100. There's no borrowing involved. The money is deducted almost instantly from your available balance. This means you can't spend more than you have, which is a great way to stay within budget and avoid debt. Key characteristics of a TD debit card. Direct access to your bank account. Funds are pulled directly from your checking or savings. No interest charges. You're not borrowing money, so there's no interest to pay. Real-time transactions. Purchases are typically reflected in your account balance almost immediately. PIN-based security. Many debit transactions require a personal identification number, PIN, for authorization. Limited fraud protection. While TD offers some protection, it's generally less extensive than what you get with a credit card. You'll often see Visa debit or MasterCard debit emblazoned on your TD debit card. This simply means it can be used anywhere Visa or MasterCard is accepted, giving you broad usability for online and in-store purchases, just like a credit card, but still drawing from your own funds. TD credit cards, borrowed funds. Now, a TD credit card is a completely different beast. When you use a credit card, you're essentially borrowing money from TD to make your purchase. TD sets a credit limit for you, and you can spend up to that limit. You then receive a monthly statement outlining your purchases, and you're obligated to pay back the borrowed amount either in full or with a minimum payment. Key characteristics of a TD credit card. Borrowing power. You're using a line of credit extended by TD. Interest charges. If you don't pay your full balance by the due date, you'll be charged interest on the outstanding amount. Money with wings. Builds credit history. Responsible use of a credit card, paying on time, keeping balances low, can significantly improve your credit score, which is vital for loans, mortgages, and even some job applications. Enhanced fraud protection. Credit cards typically offer robust fraud protection, meaning you're often not liable for unauthorized charges. Rewards and benefits. Many TD credit cards come with perks like cash back, travel points, or insurance benefits. So, which one do you have? The easiest way to tell if your TD card is a debit or credit card is to look at the card itself. If it says debit or Visa debit or MasterCard debit, it's a debit card. If it says Visa, MasterCard, or American Express, and doesn't explicitly say debit, and has a credit limit associated with it, it's a credit card. Another strong indicator is how you obtained the card. Debit cards are usually issued automatically when you open a checking or savings account. Credit cards, on the other hand, require an application and approval process based on your creditworthiness. Understanding this distinction empowers you to make smarter financial choices, manage your spending, and leverage the benefits each type of card offers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.